Are you a student? Are you a digital marketer, teacher, or a designer? Whatever the profession may be, but at any stage of life, learning won't stop. So during in this lockdown, it's very difficult for us to go out and learn. Since the past decade, online education has emerged as the finest method of learning. All age groups are benefiting from it. The increasing rate of students' involvement in the online learning courses is very high. Hello guys, this is Indu and welcome back to my channel 25 and do follow at my Instagram page at WordSpeak. Is that really online learning benefitable? Is this can reduce the cost? Come on, let's see. Yes, online education can cost less due to the variety of reasons. For example, there is no cost of commuting, assorted costs that are related to transport such as fuel, parking, car maintenance, and public transportation's cost won't affect the online student. Nowadays, there are some top online specializations that are running in a high demand. They are like deep learning, Python for everyone, data science, applied data science with Python, business foundations, architecting with Google Cloud Platform, data engineering on Google Cloud Platform, Excel to MySQL, whatnot. So today, in this video, I'm going to give you the best solution for your online learning. You can get the paid Udemy courses that cost of nearly 1000 to 15 rupees and more than that for absolutely free. Yes, it's true. Watch till the end so that at the end I'm going to tell you that how you can be in a touch with the latest courses of Udemy officially launched. Let's start the video. We all know that Udemy is an online learning platform and teaching marketplace with over 1 lakh courses and 24 million students. Udemy was founded in May 2010. It is an American online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. As January 2020, the platform has more than 50 million students and 57,000 instructors teaching courses in over 65 languages. There have been over 295 million courses enrollment. Students and instructors come from the 190 plus countries and 2 by 3rd of the students are located outside the US. Students take courses largely as a mean of improving job related skills. Some courses generate the credit towards technical certification. Udemy has made a special effort to attract the corporate trainers seeking to create the coursework for the employees of their company. And you will be thinking that for the free enrolled courses, is there will be the certificate given after the completion of the course? And the answer is big yes. Come on, I will explain the process. At first, go to the website of udemy.com. And now here you can see the number of courses at cost of nearly 400 to 500 rupees. And in the search place, you can go there and search for the specific course that you want to enroll for that. And here you can see before you take up the course, you need to sign up. And for that, just only need a simple basic. You need to enter your details. Then you will be getting an account in a Udemy. And now open the website called real.discount. See, you can get Udemy coupons and free online courses. And here you can see the trending courses of the following list of the courses that was in the trending latest courses that they have uploaded in the Udemy website. Here you can get the new courses that was launched officially by the Udemy website. Expiring soon. We have the courses and they differentiate in between the new courses and expiring soon courses. We have here, you can see that C++ courses, the complete freelancing courses, update for your work business, and few remaining. These are the courses that are going to be completed within an hour or here within a 2 days. They are going to give you the deadline of the course that you can access for the free. And not only the first page, you have the multiple pages of nearly 1 to 6 pages that includes the courses that you can enroll. And last one is the most enrolled. These are the courses that you can see the list of the courses that the mostly enroll. And if you really want to get only the specified course that you are searching for, you can go to the search place and you can search for the course. And here we go, we can get a Python courses list that are available for the free. Okay, come on, let's see that what are the courses that were newly launched in the website of Udemy. Let's go to the new course. Now let's see the how we can get the course for free. I'm opening the C plus programming for beginners to advance and build your C programming skills with sample project. And here you are seeing that expiring date, expiring time. Expiring time is for 2 days, and we are having the remaining coupons of count. And you'll click on the get coupon. You can see, right, we are getting that course is absolutely for 100% off for free. And they are also giving you that this offer is only for the 2 days left at this price. Click on the button enroll now. Here we go, you got the course and you can directly go there and start the course. And this course will be automatically be in the list of your my courses list in your account Udemy. Simply you can start and you can learn. At the down below they will be mentioning about the what the course is about, and you can at the right side you can see the courses content, that at what section they will be discussing about the what specific topic. And they also given a description about the course. And this is for the setting. You can increase the quality of your video, and you can increase the size, you can expand the screen. And this is for the playback speed. If you think that instructor was going so fast and you are not able to catch that flow, then you can reduce the speed. Yes, we got the course for absolutely free and you can access for the lifetime. Okay, let's see, let's get another course, that WordPress plugin. WordPress plugin development 2020 and provisional. Let's get this course. Yes, they have given here it's going to expiring in 2 days. We have the remaining coupons. Get the coupon. Click on the get the coupon. Yes, it's done. It's very simple. You just go to the real dot discount and then get the coupon, that whatever the course that you are like to enroll for. And here you can see you can get absolutely 100% free. It will cost 2560 rupees and you can get this course for absolutely free. And then and also you're getting the which this course includes of 5.5 hours on demand video, 30 downloadable resources, full-time access on mobile and TV, certification of completion. I have mentioned you right at the beginning of the video, you can get these courses certifications and you can mention in your resumes. Even these free courses will offer you with a certification after the completion of your enrolled course. Yes, it's done. We got the course for absolutely free. Start the course, and down below you will be seeing the more courses, right? Those also courses you can get absolutely for free from this real dot discount website. You can even give your feedback recording the course. You can share your thoughts even. See here, you can get the Udemy certificate by completing the online course. And yes, that's it. It's very simple to get the officially launched courses of Udemy for absolutely free. And it is very simple, that if you are thinking that you don't have any access to online learning and you want to learn the courses but don't know where to learn, and you'll be thinking that these courses may cost for nearly 1000 to 15 rupees, and this is a solution. You can get absolutely paid courses of Udemy for free. And this is the first process. And second one is that I'm going to give you a WhatsApp official link, a WhatsApp group of Udemy courses that will be posted every day in the morning. That link I'm going to give you in the description box. You can go through and you can add in that group, so that if you were missed with the courses that was offered in the real dot discount, but don't worry, they're going to post you the all the latest and officially launched courses that was in demand in that WhatsApp group. So do check in my description box. And now it's time for a bonus line by Einstein. Imagination is very important than knowledge. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to mention in the comment box that if you have taken any course for free from the Udemy by this process, so then let me know. Until next time, stay tuned to 20s Fine and do like and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.